It's Zainab, welcome to my channel. For a long time, I was looking for understanding how to do level design and define difficulty curve and use it as a parameter for doing my level design. And I couldn't find any good tutorial in the web, so already I learned how to do that and want to share with you here. First, I will create level design script. And I will add it to my game manager. I will open my script in Visual Studio. I don't need these functions, so I will delete them. I will put test mode also for my script in case I want to test a specific level for my game. Here I will define my curve. The name is animation curve. I will call it line split difficulty. Let's see what we have now. It's my curve. I can define it as I want. For now it's still 1, but I'm going to extend it for example, I think 30 level would be good. And also okay. The maximum, the y-axis is for level difficulty and the x-axis is for level. So I can add some point here to have somehow more dynamic curve. Okay, maybe it's good. And also like this. You can do it as you like. And for sure, it should be good for your game. Let's define a function for this script to convert the amount of difficulty to the integer number. if it's test mode, return the corresponding amount for a fake level. And else return the corresponding amount from our curve. For the level we are already in. I can read my current level from game constant.level. Okay. That's it. Now, in my game manager, I can use it like this. I need to add it here by dragging the game manager here as it has the script. And now I can use it in my script like this. I have a parameter for level difficulty already, and I can read the amount from my curve. That's it. Let's try my game and see how different level gonna change. Let's restart my game. It's, for example, level 1, and the now our difficulty gonna change according to our curve here. For example, for level 1, it will be 1. For level 2, it will be 4, and so on. That's it. I hope you like it and use it in your game. Wish you creating lots of great game.